Today I'm going to unboxing a very useful machine especially for girls, a heating pad. I am going to show you how to use it and what is the feature about that. Okay, let's go. Oh, there is a machine. This is the machine. There is a power cord and a user manual. Okay, let's go. This is the machine and this is a Type-C cable. Here, this is a power button, this is a heating button, and this is a vibration button, and this is a power port. At first, let's go to on the machine. I press the power button and the machine is run. There is a 3 temperature level: 60 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, when I press the temperature button once, the temperature will rise 60 degrees centigrade. Again I press the temperature button, then the power goes down 55 degrees centigrade. This is the 55 centigrade. If I again press the heating button, then the temperature goes down 50 degrees centigrade. If I want to vibrate this machine, there is a vibration button and I want to press. If I press this button, there is a vibration start. There is a 4 mode of vibration. This is a mode 1. If I press second in vibration button, there is a synchronous vibration, and if I again press the vibration button, there is a more synchronous vibration, and if I fourth press the vibration button, there is a vibration after a while. And this is the mechanism of this heating pad device. This is very useful especially for girls for a period in time. Thank you.